In California, there are two types of motorcycle licenses. M1 lets you ride any two-wheel motorcycle or scooter. M2 only allows mopeds or motorized bicycles. Most riders choose the M1 because it covers everything. If you're under 21, you need a motorcycle instruction permit first. You have to hold it for at least 6 months. While using the permit, you can't ride at night, on freeways, or with passengers. You also have to take the California Motorcyclist Training Course. After finishing it, you'll get a DL 389 certificate, which usually waives the DMV's skills test. If you don't already have a driver's license, you'll also need to complete regular driver's ed and training. Once you're ready, go to the DMV with your permit, your DL 389, and proof of driver's ed if needed. You'll fill out an application, take a vision test, get fingerprinted, and take a photo. Then you take a written test, 3 chances to pass. If you're applying for a real ID at the same time, bring proof of identity, your social security number, and 2 California address documents. If you're 21 or older, the process is simpler. You don't need to hold a permit for 6 months, but you can still take the training course to skip the DMV skills test. If you don't take the course, you'll need to pass the motorcycle driving test. Then, just complete the same steps: application, Idaho, address proof, and the written test. That's it.